answer. Today, I will do with my family.
The weather is sunny, and I am so excited to see animals.
The first animal we see is a monkey. It is jumping on a tree, and then it steals my brother's pet. My brother screams, "Give it back!" But the monkey runs away. Next, we see an elephant. It is big and gray. You see it's trying to drink water. Suddenly, it spills water on my back. It is all wet, and we can't stop laughing. Then we find a lion that is very strong. But guess what? It is sleeping and snoring. It sounds just like my grandfather.
At lunchtime, we eat sandwiches in front of the panda house.
After lunch, we eat sandwiches in front of the panda house.
The panda is so lazy. He eats some bamboo and falls asleep with its mouth open.
After lunch, we go to the gift shop.
I buy a small rabbit toy, and my sister gets a yo-yo.
My father wants a lion to eat this. All of it is very small. The zoo is so much fun. I love animals, but next time I won't stay near the elephant.
Thank you for listening. 一起分析